Hi guys, in this video we will see how to restart your iPhone without using power button. You can easily restart your iPhone with the use of Siri or Apple Intelligence. To do so, tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Make sure that Apple Intelligence is duly on. Allow Siri when locked. Tap and type to Siri, "Hey Siri" or Siri. Choose the Siri voice and make sure that all is turned on. Thereafter,
Hey Siri, restart my iPhone.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
tap on restart and your iPhone will successfully restart without using power button.